To record screen on Samsung Galaxy A56 5G, we need to go to the quick settings. So on the right side of the phone, swipe from the top like this, and then we can unfold this panel, we can extend it, and you should be able to find the screen recorder over here, at least by default. It might be in a slightly different position if you made some changes over here. So let's open it. We can choose what type of sound we want to record, so we can select none, media, or media and the microphone, and we can also show taps and touches over here. So once we are ready, we can press start recording. We will have the countdown. We can also skip the countdown, and there we go. Here we have our tool that allows us to do something while recording. So of course we can use this pen in order to draw something on the screen. We can of course clear that as well. There we go. We can enable and disable the selfie camera here. And of course we can change the position of the camera as well. We can pause and stop recording. And that is essentially it. After the recording is done, you should be able to find the notification about it over here. You can find it, for example, by going to gallery. And that is pretty much it. Check out this playlist to find more guides. Like, comment, subscribe.